The Audi A8 L 60 TFSI e-quattro represents the pinnacle of Audi's luxury sedan lineup, combining state-of-the-art technology, sophisticated design, and electrified performance in a way that few vehicles in the segment can rival. From the very first glance, the A8 L exudes elegance and presence, with its elongated wheelbase emphasizing rear passenger comfort and executive-class spaciousness, while the sharp, meticulously sculpted lines of its exterior reflect its sense of understated power and precision engineering. The front fascia is dominated by Audi's signature single-frame grille, flanked by matrix LED headlights that not only offer exceptional illumination but also adapt intelligently to traffic conditions, projecting a high-tech persona that matches the car's performance credentials. At the rear, the continuous light strip, accentuating the width of the vehicle, creates a harmonious balance between elegance and modernity. Attention to detail is evident everywhere, from the flush-fitting door handles to the subtle chrome accents that highlight the vehicle's aerodynamic silhouette, signaling both luxury and efficiency. Stepping inside, the interior of the A8 L 60 TFSI e-quattro is nothing short of breathtaking. The cabin is a sanctuary of comfort, precision, and advanced technology, with high-quality materials that are tactilely satisfying, including Nappa leather upholstery, open-pore wood trims, and brushed aluminum accents. The extended wheelbase ensures ample rear legroom, creating a chauffeur-driven experience that rivals even the most luxurious sedans in the world. Passengers can enjoy ergonomically designed seats with ventilation, massage, and heating functions, all controllable via the MMI touch response system or the optional rear seat entertainment package. Ambient lighting further enhances the cabin's atmosphere, providing a choice of colors to suit moods or driving conditions. Audi's commitment to quietness and refinement is evident in the excellent sound insulation, which, combined with the optional Bang & Olufsen advanced sound system, transforms the cabin into a concert hall on wheels where every note and tone is delivered with crystalline clarity. Under the hood, the Audi A8 L 60 TFSI e-quattro showcases a plug-in hybrid powertrain that marries performance with efficiency. The vehicle combines a robust 3.0-liter V6 turbocharged engine with an electric motor, delivering a combined output of approximately 449 horsepower and 700 newton-meters of torque, allowing the car to accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 4.9 seconds, an impressive feat for a full-sized luxury sedan. The e-quattro all-wheel drive system ensures precise traction and stability under varying driving conditions, providing both confidence and dynamic handling. The hybrid system allows for pure electric driving at speeds up to around 135 kilometers per hour, giving drivers the flexibility to enjoy zero-emission urban mobility while also benefiting from the power and smoothness of the gasoline engine on longer journeys. The e-quattro hybrid setup intelligently manages energy flow, allowing regenerative braking to recover energy efficiently and optimize overall performance. Additionally, the car's plug-in hybrid system supports external charging, enabling fully electric commutes and reducing overall fuel consumption without compromising on the hallmark Audi driving experience. The ride quality of the Audi A8 L is exemplary thanks in large part to its adaptive air suspension system with predictive active suspension. The vehicle can read the road ahead using cameras and sensors, adjusting damping in real time to absorb imperfections, mitigate body roll, and ensure an ultra-comfortable ride. Whether cruising on highways or maneuvering through city streets, the A8 L glides effortlessly, providing a sensation of serenity that is hard to match. Steering is precise yet weighted to offer confidence, and despite the car's size, it remains surprisingly agile, blending luxury sedan refinement with subtle sportiness. Various drive modes allow the driver to tailor the experience, from a relaxed, comfort-oriented mode to a more dynamic setup that sharpens throttle response and chassis behavior for spirited driving, demonstrating that the A8 L can cater to both indulgent comfort and engaging performance. Technology in the Audi A8 L 60 TFSI e-quattro reaches the forefront of automotive innovation. The MMI touch response system features dual high-resolution touchscreens that control navigation, media, climate, and vehicle settings, with haptic and acoustic feedback providing intuitive operation. The virtual cockpit, a fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster, offers customizable layouts displaying navigation, driving data, and infotainment content in crisp detail. Audi suite of driver assistance systems, branded as Audi AI, enhances safety and convenience. Features like adaptive cruise assist, lane keeping assist, intersection assist, traffic jam assist, and night vision with pedestrian detection ensure both proactive safety and stress-free driving. Parking is simplified through 360-degree cameras, top view cameras, and optional remote parking capabilities, making maneuvering in tight spaces effortless. Connectivity is equally impressive with Wi-Fi, wireless charging, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, and a rich suite of apps providing seamless integration between digital life and driving. The exterior performance and efficiency of the A8L are further complemented by intelligent aerodynamics. Active grille shutters and electronically adjustable air suspension and smooth underbody panels work together to reduce drag and improve fuel efficiency even at higher speeds. Lightweight construction using aluminum and high-strength steel not only improves performance and handling, but also enhances crash safety. The hybrid powertrain further contributes to efficiency, allowing the car to achieve respectable fuel economy for its size and output, while reducing emissions when operating in electric-only mode. The combination of engineering, hybrid technology, and advanced materials demonstrates Audi's commitment to sustainable luxury without sacrificing the visceral enjoyment of driving a flagship sedan. Inside, the vehicle also prioritizes convenience and personalization. The rear passengers can control their environment via the MMI Touch tablet, adjusting seat positions, climate zones, and entertainment options independently. This level of customization underscores the A8L status as a true executive limousine, catering to both driver-focused and chauffeur-driven experiences. Storage options, USB-C ports, wireless charging pads, and optional refrigerated compartments add practicality to the opulent environment. The attention to soundproofing and air filtration ensures that occupants remain insulated from urban noise and pollutants, further enhancing the serene atmosphere inside the cabin. Safety is paramount in the A8L 60 TFSI quattro, as evidenced by its comprehensive array of passive and active systems. The body structure is reinforced with high-strength materials to protect occupants in case of collision, while airbags, pre-tensioners, and advanced seatbelt systems provide additional layers of protection. Audi's pre-sense safety suite can detect imminent collisions, pedestrians, and cyclists, preparing the vehicle and occupants by tightening seatbelts, closing windows, and initiating braking when necessary. Advanced night vision and head-up display technology further enhance driver awareness, particularly during nighttime or low-visibility conditions. With these systems, the Audi A8L not only provides luxury, but also a profound sense of security for both driver and passengers. Driving dynamics are equally impressive given the car's size and electrified setup. The combination of the electric motor and turbocharged V6 ensures smooth linear acceleration, while the torque delivery feels immediate and controlled. The e-quattro all-wheel drive system distributes power intelligently between the axles, providing stability on slippery roads and enhancing cornering precision. The steering is communicative yet relaxed, striking a balance between comfort and responsiveness. Regenerative braking allows for seamless deceleration while recharging the battery, making driving more efficient and environmentally conscious. Additionally, the car's hybrid management system is intuitive, allowing drivers to select modes such as hybrid auto, EV only, or battery hold, giving full control over energy consumption and driving style. The exterior and interior design elements of the Audi A8L reflect a blend of modernity, sophistication, and timeless elegance. The interplay of light and shadow across its body, combined with aerodynamic efficiency, gives the car a sense of motion even while stationary. The attention to small details, such as illuminated door sills, frameless mirrors, and precision-cut surfaces, conveys a sense of craftsmanship that is difficult to find elsewhere. Inside, the seamless integration of technology into a luxurious environment demonstrates Audi's ability to combine utility, comfort, and aesthetics, creating a holistic experience that resonates with the driver and passengers alike. The infotainment and connectivity systems of the A8L further solidify its place as a modern technological flagship. With a dual touchscreen interface that controls climate, media, and navigation, users can interact in a natural and intuitive way, enhanced by voice recognition and handwriting input capabilities. The Audi Connect suite offers real-time traffic, weather and navigation updates, and over-the-air software updates ensure that the vehicle remains current with the latest features and improvements. Rear seat entertainment options, including high-resolution displays and wireless headphones, provide comfort for passengers during long journeys, making the A8L a true blend of executive utility and technological sophistication. From a practical standpoint, the Audi A8 L 60 TFSI e-quattro is surprisingly versatile. Its luggage compartment is generous, and the rear seats can be configured for maximum comfort or utility. The hybrid system allows short urban trips to be conducted entirely on electric power, reducing fuel costs and environmental impact, while long-distance drives benefit from the efficiency and performance of the combined hybrid powertrain. The range, fuel efficiency, and electric-only capabilities make it both an indulgent and rational choice for executives and luxury car enthusiasts who desire both performance and environmental responsibility. The driving experience is further enriched by the quiet and refined cabin, advanced